We all want it. A sense of normalcy. To come together again. To be a part of something.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clinton County, Southern Bond County, Monroe County in southwestern Illinois, Madison County in southwestern Illinois, western Washington County, Randolph County in southwestern Illinois, St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois, southeastern Jefferson County, northern St. Genevieve County in southeastern Missouri, until 5 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bethalto to near Collinsville to 9 miles north of Bloomsdale, moving east at 40 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for many areas in Madison, St. Clair, and Monroe counties in Illinois. Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. At 3:54 p.m. a wind gust of 80 miles per hour was recorded at Lambert International Airport. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near Belleville, O'Fallon, Edwardsville, Swansea, Glen Carbon, Shiloh, Troy, Maryville, Lebanon, and Freeburg around 4:20 p.m. Muscuda, St. Jacob, and Marine around 4:25 p.m. Highland, New Baden, Trenton, New Athens, and Alhambra around 4:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Evanston, Baldwin, Marissa, St. Rose, Albers, New Memphis, Breeze, Germantown, Pocahontas, Jamestown, and Sparta. This includes the following high
quality ingredients bring more to the table. When you get low prices on the latest trends. When rewards come with quality and coziness. And when you're serving up taste they love at low prices, that's totally Target.